you ever wondered if your eyes can see absolutely everything in front of you? Imagine looking straight ahead, but there's a tiny spot where you actually see nothing at all. This hidden gap in your vision is called the blind spot. It's a fascinating part of how our eyes work, and today we're going to uncover its secret. Let's dive into the world of the human eye and discover why this blind spot exists and what it means for us in everyday life. Blind spot is a small area on the retina where the optic nerve leaves the eye. There are no light-sensitive cells here, so any image that falls on this spot cannot be seen. But don't worry, your brain is super smart. It fills in the missing information using details from the surrounding areas, so you rarely notice this gap. The blind spot is a natural part of every human eye, and it's a great example of how our bodies adapt to tiny imperfections. You might think a blind spot would cause problems, but in reality it does. For example, when you're reading or playing sports, you never notice anything missing. That's because both eyes have blind spots in different places, and your brain cleverly combines the images from each eye to create a complete picture. So the blind spot is a cool reminder of how our bodies work together to help us see the world clearly, even with a tiny gap in our vision. So the blind spot in our eyes is a natural, harmless feature that shows just how amazing our brains are. Even though there's a tiny spot where we can't see, our brains fill in the blanks so well that we never even notice. Next time you look around, remember, your eyes and brain are working as a perfect team to give you a complete view of the colorful world.